And welcome to packet number 8. This is part 3. Today we are going still over probability, but this time we are filling out tables, listing out our outcomes and the probability of getting those outcomes. So number 1 is you roll a 10-sided number polyhedron. So the outcomes, remember, are what can you get. So if I have 10 sides, and I'm guessing they're numbered 1 through 10, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now they're all equal chances as well. So the probability of getting a 1 is 1 out of 10 because there's only one 1 out of the 10 sides. Probability of 2 is 1 out of 10 because there's only one 2 on 10 sides and so on. So all of these are going to be 1 out of 10 probability, because there's only one of each on each side. Looking at number 2. Number 2 says randomly select a painted rock from a bag containing 4 purple rocks, 3 green rocks, 3 orange rocks, and 2 blue rocks. So our outcomes, you could get purple, you could get green, you could get orange, or you could get blue. Now, first things first, how many total rocks do we have? 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So there are 12 total rocks. So the probability of getting purple would be 4 out of 12, because there's 4 purple rocks out of the total 12. Green would be 3 out of 12. Orange is also 3 out of 12. And blue is 2 out of 12. Number 3, spin a spinner with 8 numbered sections of equal size. So there are 8 sections numbered. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is kind of like the numbered die that we just talked about. There's only one section of 1 out of 8. So that's 1 out of 8. There's only one section of 2 out of 8. So that's 1 out of 8. So all of these are 1 out of 8. Because there's only one section of each out of the 8 total. And if you picture the spinner, you only have one chance to get that number out of the 8 total. Number 4, randomly select one of 5 members of your hockey team to take the first shot in an overtime shootout. So 1 of 5. So you have 5 total members. So that could be the first member, the second member, the third member, the fourth member, or the 5th member. Each one of them has a 1 out of 5 chance of getting picked. Number 5, spin a spinner with colored sections of equal size. The spinner has 3 blue sections, 3 red sections, and 2 yellow sections. So there's a chance of blue, red, and yellow. So how many total sections do we have? 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So 3 out of 8 is the probability of blue. 3 out of 8 is the probability of red, and 2 out of 8 is the probability of yellow. Looking at number 6. Number 6 says randomly select a female member of the math club whose members are Marcus, Isabella, Jasmine, Levi, Joseph, Belinda, Catherine, James, and Julia. So there are only outcomes of male or female. So how many total members do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total members. How many of those are male? Well, Marcus is male, Levi is male, Joseph is male, and James is male. So that is 4 out of the 9 are male. Female is the other part of that. So if there's 4 males, that means there's 5 females. So 5 out of 9. And lastly, number 7 says randomly select a day of the week to give your dog a bath by writing each day of the week on a slip of paper and choosing a slip of paper from a bag. Well, let's write out the days of the week. So there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. So there's a probability of 1 out of 7 for each day of the week.